Hello everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2020 Ram 2500 Tradesman with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what you think about the Tradesman. Also, don't forget to smash the bell so you get notifications about our walkarounds and our new inventory as it comes in. We do this to be transparent and to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the 2500. So let's go ahead and start the walk around. All right, we're going to walk around the Tradesman. As you can see, there's good tread on the tires. There's no real chips or any damage to the nose, which for a vehicle that's gone down the road for almost 3 years, going to be 3 years and a little bit here, and over 30,000 miles, that's impressive. Also, the finish, as you can see, there's no heavy scratches or marks. There are a couple of very shallow dings here, but you can't really see them. We're going to go ahead and get those pulled. As you can see, the tailgate is in good shape. Down this side, this one's a little easier to see right here. We're going to go ahead and have that removed as well. But overall, for 3 years and over 30,000 miles, this thing is in above average condition. Top looks really, really good. It's got the soft tonneau cover and a spray-in bed liner in there. Let's go ahead and look at the interior. All right, we're going to show you what doesn't show up on our pictures, as always. This side of the visors and the headliner, which are in great condition, as well as the top of the dash. But if you have any questions about the condition at all, or some financing options or some shipping options, feel free to give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Remember to stay tuned and hear the engine running on this, and we hope to see you next time.